Happy hair day! Getting new hair today, super excited. On my way to my appointment at Loxxie. I'm gonna get some 22-inch Loxxie hair. I'm so excited. Yay for new hair day. New hair day is definitely the best day. My hair is gonna be installed using the Loxxie method. I'm getting 2 full beaded rows as well as 1 mini beaded row, so 3 rows total of the Loxxie Black Label Genius Wefts in 22 inches. And it's beautiful. Row 1 down, now we're on to row 2. Look at this color mix. It is absolutely amazing. I am loving this custom color. It's amazing the transformation that can happen in just 2 short hours. Look how beautiful this hair is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and I will be posting the before and after pictures. Have a good day.